5th August 2019, abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, declaring Kashmir and Ladakh as Union territory by Bharat, demographic changes. Recent information available is that over 150,000 families, Hindu families, have been transferred from mainland India. I don't call India, actually I call Bharat actually. India is the wrong word for Bharat. From Bharat to Kashmir. Properties are burnt and those properties are snatched to settle non-Muslims, particularly Hindus. Ladies and gentlemen, at the world level, you must be remembering the session in UN General Assembly. That was a historic address by Prime Minister Imran Khan. It has given more awareness in the world community on Kashmir. It also includes offer of President Trump for mediation on Kashmir. The result is that Kashmir is on world canvas, bright and visible than ever before. Few words about Bharat, its domestic affairs. You must be remembering that Citizen Act and NRC, the slogan of Hindutva, RSS terrorism, domestic polarization, division within Bharat, many separatist movements now are more forceful and open in the northeast and northwest, the sister states in the east, and East Punjab and Kashmir in the west. So actually, Bharat is cracking from inside because of all that Modi has done there, and COVID-19 has added to its socio-economic and security problems. Another aspect is a very important one. China-Bharat line of actual control standoff. China occupied thousands of kilometers of territory without firing a bullet. Bharat on this front has been defeated completely. Now, the pressure is being exerted by China on occupied Kashmir from the dark side. This you must understand and visualize, that occupation of thousands of kilometers of territory across line of actual control in Bharat and occupation of Ladakh is actually exerting a pressure on occupied Kashmir in our favor. Kashmir was not talked about for decades, and now that it is coming to limelight, there are distractors within us, sold out, pampered by foreign powers. They are there to not, and actually they are forcing us, the Pakistanis, the patriots, those who've been giving blood and sweat for Kashmir not to think of Kashmir. So, I would say, politically, we are not on one page. And just imagine a nation which is not on one page, on one national issue. Can they win that battle? Never. Never ever. कौमों को अपने नेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को हासिल करने के लिए अपनी तमाम कुव्वतें यकजा करनी पड़ती हैं। हम अपने बच्चों को मैदान जंग में भेजते हैं इस दुआ के साथ कि तुमने दुश्मन को मारना है और अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स की अदायगी में अगर तुम अपना खून दे देते हो, शहीद हो जाते हो, तो हमें कबूल है। और अगर ऐसे अनासर जो हमारी इन नेशनल इश्यूज और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को सबोटाज करना चाहते हैं, तो क्या एज अ कौम, एज अ नेशन, हमें उनका गला पकड़ के बंद नहीं करना चाहिए? क्योंकि वो हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को बसबार कर रहे हैं। मैं ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा, और भी स्पीकर्स हैं। The few words of the second part, which is very important, the way forward. Ladies and gentlemen, why did I give you the perspective? You must understand. I mean, we are talking about Kashmir, its historical perspective, what is happening inside the valley and all that. That is fine, and it is well known. We have to move forward, come up with the solution. What we should do as a nation. What should be our focus? So, the way forward, ladies and gentlemen, we need unity and unanimity of all the entire nation on Kashmir. एक सोच कश्मीर पे होनी चाहिए। पूरी कौम जो है वो कश्मीर की आज़ादी के लिए यकजा हो, एक मुट्ठी की तरह। And let me tell you, 62 was an opportunity when China attacked India and did not exploit that opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, the opportunity which is there today is very, very unique. We never had such an opportunity in our lifetime. इस वक्त जो हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है, और याद रखिए, कौमों की जिंदगी में अल्लाह ताला अगर जब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके सामने लाते हैं, तो ये ऐसा नहीं होता कि आज आपने लूज कर दी तो कल फिर एक आ जाएगी अपॉर्चुनिटी। ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता। इट टेक्स डेकेड्स, सेंचुरीज कि वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज फिर आए। हमें इस पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा। ये एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। इंटरनली इंडिया इज क्रिपलिंग, क्रैकिंग। उनकी सिस्टर स्टेट से है वो अलग हो रही है, और तो और उनकी जो नेबरिंग कंट्रीज, जो छोटे छोटे कंट्रीज है, भूटान एंड वगैरह, उन्होंने भी उसे आंखें दिखानी शुरू की हुई है। तो अगर हमने इस अपॉर्चुनिटी से फायदा न, और उसकी तरफ चाइना उसको दबा रहा है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सिक्योरिटी वाइज नेशनल सिक्योरिटी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग। So therefore, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हमने कभी जाया नहीं करनी। कश्मीर, solution of Kashmir is only one, और ये भी हमें बड़ी क्लैरिटी के साथ अपने ज़हनों में रखने की जरूरत है, और वो है to join Pakistan, इल्हाक़ पाकिस्तान। There is no other solution to Kashmir. आपने ताली नहीं बजाई इसको। मैं पहले आपसे There is no option of independent Kashmir. Let me tell you very clearly. We must be internally strong and united. And let me tell you, government is working very well on a roadmap in a very graduated manner.